Hey, P Street Garage. I'm back out on my Comet today. It's an absolute dreary day. It's just pouring down rain, but I'm inside my little building. I got the car back in. The car did come in under her own power, so that's very exciting. Gonna do a little job here today that I've been meaning to do for a while. I'm gonna address this trunk. This trunk had been painted in the past, but since then I came back in. I did my quarters and my trunk extensions, so I don't know if you can see the new metal. You can see some of the new metal down there showing a little bit of rust. Anyway, what I want to do today is I want to clean this out. I'm going to apply some new seam sealer. I had pulled a lot of the old seam sealer out when I was cleaning this trunk pan. So I want to seam seal, clean, and I'm going to apply some of this rocker guard or combination of rocker guard and black paint. Anyway, I want to get this all cleaned up and make this look good again. Looking pretty shabby. So let's sweep and vacuum and yeah, make this look decent. Okay, let's sweep this out. It doesn't take long to accumulate a lot of junk. We'll be careful with this wire here with the fuel sender. All right, let's finish this. Okay, now a quick vacuum. Okay, well, you get the idea. Okay, well, that's as clean as I'm gonna make it. Let's jump into some seam sealer now. I got this Proform black seam sealer. Just gonna add a little bit around the edges there where I missed. There's a little bit of a hole there that I did not weld when I did my quarters. I missed that little opening there, so I'm gonna goop some of this seam sealer in there, and I want to try to reach in where the you see where the new metal meets the original. I'm going to try to sort of bead that up. Now this stuff is messy. It's messy as heck from what I remember. And this is the black stuff. It does come in white, but let's give it a try just to see what she feels like. What does this feel like coming out? I'll do a test piece here where it's visible. My lighting in here is not that great, but oh yeah. Oh, that's good. Okay, I'm wearing my rubber gloves, so I'll come back and I'll smear that out after to smooth it down. So let me get all these nooks and crevices done, and I will come back and we'll maybe do a little bit of primer. I got a couple of old cans of primer. I'm just going to throw some primer on that metal to try to preserve it a little bit, and then we're going to come in with the black coating. Alright, okay, so I got my seam sealer applied, and this stuff is very messy, but I got the best I could. I got, probably very hard to see. Now what I gotta do now is I put a little bit of dish soap on my glove. I'm just gonna try to smooth this down. I don't know if this is gonna work. I thought maybe the soap would help. Oh, it does. It does help. There's the first pass. Yeah. Alright, let me smooth this down here. I don't think I'll be be able to do this with you watching. I don't want to get goop all over my phone, but no, well, what the hell, I'll try. Yeah, I guess that's kind of the idea. It doesn't have to be perfect, it never is. It just kind of has to make a bit of a barrier between the two where the spot welds are, because it's not a continuous weld. So it's just a way of sealing moisture out and fumes and anything else like that. So let me massage this down. Yeah, the dish soap seems to be working. Let me massage this down and we'll come back and we'll spray the black undercoating. Okay, my seam sealing is done. There we have it. It's nothing to write home about, but can you even see that? There we go. There it is. A little bit of primer on this bare metal, and then the product I'm going to be using is this rocker guard. It's some kind of a rubberized black undercoating. I'm going to try to make this all one even black color is what I want to do. And if I don't like it, this stuff is actually paintable, so I could come back with some, either some flat black or some glossy black. I'm not sure what would look better. I'm kind of hoping this will look good, but if it's either too dull or whatnot, or what have you, I can always come back, and this does accept paint, so it says paintable when dry. So let's spray a coat of this on and see what it looks like. But first, a little bit of primer on that bare metal. Here we go with our black rubberized undercoating. See what that looks like. Oh, that goes on nice. Yeah, I think that'll do the job. All right, I'm gonna put the camera down. I think I'm actually gonna have to crawl in here before I start getting too carried away and get back there. So, all right, I'll show this again once I'm done. Okay, well, I got the back area a little bit. I got to keep showing you this. It's harder to do it when I hold the camera, but it's just so satisfying. I love this stuff. I have used this before. It has it leaves a slight texture, which is good for old metal that's imperfect like this one. Got my door wide open so the fumes aren't not too intense. I mean, I can smell it. All this wiring for the taillights and the sending unit and that just lays in the trunk because there is supposed to be some type of a carpet in here. I actually had the carpet when I bought the car, but it just wasn't fit to keep, so I got rid of it. But I don't know, maybe I'll get a carpet down the road. I actually probably won't. I kind of like this look. Let's see if I can get in here now. Very satisfying, actually very fun, actually more fun than this regular spray painting. There's a couple of my old patches there that I did a couple summers ago, or was it last summer? Maybe a couple summers ago. It held up pretty good. I mean, they're just patches stitched into place, but I mean, that's all that's required. And, you know, I did the best I could do. I suppose I could have ground them smoother, but, oh, that's some dirt left in there. This is where the jack mounts. the floor jack for the car, and I actually do have the floor jack for this car. You see the original coating for the vehicle is all still there, and that stuff, I'm not even sure what it is, but it's very, very durable. Yeah, this is turning out quite nice. I'm quite happy with that. Of course, it is a dreary day, so not very, my lighting is not fantastic, but alright, let's finish this up. I will show once it's all done. Let me put this camera down now. Okay, well there we have it. All done. I'm going to shine my light there so you can see. Looks good, happy with that. Pretty much got all the nooks and crannies. I even got back here, that little back wall there where all the lights mount and everything. Good protection, and more importantly, it looks good. So there we have it. My trunk all cleaned up and rocker guarded. Good, quick, easy job. Very satisfying, and for a few dollars you can get some good results. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching.